Hello, everyone. Today I'll show you how to manage deadlines in Wrike step by step in 2026. Managing deadlines properly helps teams stay on track and avoid last minute stress. First, create your project and tasks. Break the project into clear tasks and subtasks. Smaller tasks make deadlines easier to manage. Next, set start dates and due dates. Open a task and add both start and end dates. This helps Wrike calculate timelines correctly. Now assign tasks to team members. Every task should have a clear owner. Ownership ensures deadlines are taken seriously. After that, use task dependencies. Link tasks so one starts after another finishes. This prevents timeline conflicts and delays. Next, switch to timeline or Gantt view. This shows all deadlines visually. You can easily spot overlaps or delays and fix them early. Then use priorities and custom workflows. Mark urgent tasks as high priority. Workflows help track progress toward deadlines. Now enable notifications and reminders. Wrike automatically reminds assignees about upcoming deadlines. This reduces missed due dates. After that, track progress regularly. Check task status updates and comments. Follow up early if a task is falling behind. Next, adjust deadlines when needed. Drag and drop tasks in timeline view. Wrike updates dependent tasks automatically. Finally, review deadlines in dashboards and reports. Dashboards show overdue and upcoming tasks clearly. Managers can act quickly. So yeah, managing deadlines in Wrike means setting clear dates, assigning owners, using dependencies, tracking progress, adjusting timelines, and reviewing regularly. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for listening, stay productive, and I'll see you in the next